Hey there everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Do you ever feel like your evenings are just slipping away from you? Before you know it, it's bedtime and you haven't accomplished anything. Or worse, you've spent the entire evening doom scrolling through social media. Don't worry, we've all been there before. But here's the good news. There are plenty of evening routines that you can adopt to make the most out of your time and set yourself up for success. So with that said, let us take a look at some of our favorite evening routines that will help you win at life. 1. Wind down with a relaxing routine. It's important to relax and unwind in the evening so that you can get a good night's sleep. This is essential for restoring your energy levels so that you're ready to take on the day ahead. Some relaxing things you could do in the evening include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to some calming music. You could also try some gentle stretches or yoga poses to help your body and mind relax. The important thing is to find what works for you and stick to it every evening. A good night's sleep is essential for feeling rested and recharged the next day, and a relaxing routine can help you get the sleep you need. 2. Reflect on your day. Taking some time to reflect on your day can help you appreciate all the good things that have happened. This is an important self-care practice that can help you cultivate gratitude and happiness in your life. There are many ways to reflect on your day. You could write in a journal, talk to a friend, or simply spend some quiet time thinking about everything you're grateful for. No matter how you choose to do it, taking some time to reflect on your day is a great way to end the evening on a positive note. 3. Disconnect from technology. We live in a world where we're constantly connected to technology. Between smartphones, laptops, and tablets, it seems like there's always something vying for our attention. But too much screen time can actually have a negative impact on our mental health. That's why it's important to take a break from technology in the evening. Give yourself at least 30 minutes before bed to disconnect from all devices. This will give you time to wind down and relax before sleep. And if you're worried about missing out on anything important, set an out-of-office message on your email and turn on the Do Not Disturb feature on your phone. One of the best ways to set yourself up for success is to plan for the next day. By taking a few minutes to map out your schedule, you'll be able to hit the ground running in the morning. You'll also be less likely to feel overwhelmed or stressed when you know what needs to be done and when to do it. Try setting aside 15 minutes at the end of the day to plan your schedule for the next day. Make a list of everything that needs to be done and then prioritize the tasks. This will help you focus on the most important things first thing in the morning. 5. Clean up your living space. When your living space is cluttered and messy, it can be tough to relax and feel comfortable. That's why it's important to spend a few minutes each evening tidying up. This doesn't mean you have to do a deep clean, but simply put away any clutter and dirty dishes. Wipe down any spills and make sure your bed is made. Not only will this make your home more enjoyable, but it will also give you a sense of satisfaction and accomplishment before you go to bed. 6. Read before bed. Reading is a great way to relax and unwind before bed. It's also a great way to learn new things and expand your mind. Try setting aside 30 minutes each evening to read a book. If you're not sure what to read, ask a friend for recommendations or check out the latest best-selling books. You can also try listening to audiobooks while doing other things such as driving or exercising. Audiobooks are a great way to make use of your time, and they're also very convenient. 7. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can help us focus on the positive aspects of our lives. When we're grateful, we're less likely to complain and more likely to enjoy the present moment. One way to practice gratitude is to keep a gratitude journal. Write down 3 things each evening that you're grateful for. It doesn't have to be anything major, just 3 things that made you happy that day. As you do this each evening, take a moment to really appreciate each thing. Remember why you're grateful for it and how it positively impacted your life. There are many different evening routines that you can adopt to set yourself up for success. Experiment with different routines and find what works best for you. The most important thing is to find a routine that helps you relax and prepare for the next day. So give these evening routines a try and see how they work for you. And don't forget to let us know in the comments below what works for you. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.